Entering customer and address information is a necessary part of completing checkout, but it can be unnecessarily time-consuming. Users manually enter each component of their address, like the street address, city, state, zip code, and country. But with so much data entry, typos and other input errors are a real risk. Let's explore how to transform this bottleneck into a smooth, efficient process that improves user satisfaction and boosts conversion rates. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 2266 of Baymard's original large-scale usability test findings provide a fully automatic address lookup feature. Throughout multiple rounds of UX testing, we've observed that address entry errors, whether from typos or incorrect information, are common, often slowing down or even halting a user's progress through checkout. As a result, the burden of completing multiple address fields presents a requirement that is at the very least time-consuming and at worst significantly increases the risk of receiving an error message. For instance, one user at Walgreens was surprised by the need to manually enter every address field. She accidentally selected the wrong state and had to go back to reselect the correct one, illustrating a major drawback of manual entry. During our large-scale UX testing, we found that 9% of manually entered addresses contain typos or misspellings. Some sites use address validators to check the entered address against a database. However, even when a mistake is caught, users still have to stop and fix it, which disrupts their progress and makes the process less efficient. The best solution we found during testing to minimize the risk and burden of address entry is a fully automatic address lookup feature. With this feature, users start typing their street address and the site provides live auto-suggestions for the full address. This feature was highly appreciated by users, like one at Wayfair who noted how convenient it was, saving him the time and effort of typing out his entire address. Another user at Walmart was glad to avoid typing her full address, thanks to this feature. If a fully automatic address lookup feature isn't possible, another effective solution we observed is zip or postal code auto-detection. In this approach, users enter their zip or postal code and the site automatically fills in the corresponding state and city. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your checkout flows, including over 120 checkout guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.